Is that what it is? Do you understand what I was talking about a while ago? If that ain't right, that your door ain't gonna be able to open and shut no more. Remember what I was telling you a while ago? If that ain't the right spot, your door it's not gonna open and close anymore. See it right there where it's bulged out, and your door's not gonna open or close anymore. So now you have to get in from the passenger side. Let Jeffrey crank it up a little bit.
I think according to that picture on that jack, see right here?
Yeah.
It shows put the jack between halfway between the car and that to raise it up. I don't see how it's
Yeah, but when it's bulging your
get it out from there, Jill.
when it's bulging your fender out and your door's not gonna open, it's probably not in the right spot.
Take it down. Jack. The one thing on there.
I'd like to have one too. They're about $80 at Arbor Freights for one of them with the wheels on it with a big long handle. You can run out there and da 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 da.
But on that picture on that jack, bring that jack here, Jill. On that picture on that jack, it shows you halfway between the.
Well, there should be a slot up there.
I filled in all in under there, and I can't find a slot. Let me see that jack. On that jack right there, that picture, it shows to put the jack halfway under there to raise the front or back. Am I right or not?
No, you either get right there if your front tire's flat or back there if the back tire's flat.
Well, then that concrete block's in the way.
Right. The block is where you should be.
Well, to jack it up enough to keep that block out. I think you put it behind the jack, behind the block.
Yeah, you could probably just do that and go on the right side behind the block. You're thinking now. There should be see this slot right here? There should be a slot that should fit in. That's what the purpose of the slot.
There's that block under it. Let me go put it on the other side.
No, it's the same on that side or this side.
Let me see on the other side.
Jeffrey, is there a lip on there you can feel?
There's a lip right here.
Well, that slot goes on that lip right there is where it goes.
You don't have to jack it up enough to get the. You put it on that rock because ground control. Where's the lip right where? Where's the lip?
A dent? You mean them people there at the tire shop put a dent on your car?
Probably on that back into that trailer deal.
I don't know why that tire wasn't leaking. I checked it twice. Is that tire gauge pretty good you got? I don't have one at the house. Mine busted on me. So you'll need to check your pressure, and I don't know how much pressure them tires hold.
Don't raise up.
Stick your thumb over there.
Yeah, you got about 40 pounds in it.
What is it? You got glasses? I don't have my glasses on. I can't see what's on that tire, what it says you need. You could probably check the ones in the rear and find out what they got in there and match it to the same one.
About 38 pounds.
Well, that's enough to get you down the road. Won't you roll it over by your, well, you ain't got your water hose out, do you? You say we can check it again.
I don't see how Jeffrey wants that four back.
Huh?
Raise the front end of it enough to get it on the tire on it.
Jeffrey looks like he's doing a good job right now. Looks like
It's coming up. I guess
looks like he's got it going on. I think the secret is you got to get it on the right spot. You know what I mean? Me and Jeffrey looked real hard. We couldn't find no leak. So I don't know.
We're gonna have to have it that high. It ain't gonna never go that high.
Well, the jack should jack the car up to change the tire. I mean,
You're gonna have to have it four by.
it's the jack that come with the car, ain't it?
Yeah.
They should jack the car up to put the tire on, shouldn't it?
I know. Move that concrete block back some. Put that. Take all day.
Do it the whole thing. Turn the car over.
That ain't high enough. Get it on there. It ain't high enough, I'm telling you. You're putting the bottom of the tire on top of the
Ain't no
wheel.
starting with me again.
It ain't going.
Get your hands off of it.
Get up. Jeff, it ain't high enough.
Quit staring at me.
There's a fish call. Hey, the fish are biting today, ain't they?
Get up. It ain't high enough, I'm telling you.
Oh, he's ready to keep him screaming too. She's angry.
I ain't kicking and screaming, I ain't cussing. All I'm telling you is it ain't high enough. Where did you feel it? That picture on that jack.
He's got it right. I see him over there. The jack's correct where it's supposed to be.
Well, get your legs out so if it falls.
My legs are out of the way.
Well, move and I'll see if I can jack it up some more.
Jeffrey's doing fine. He was going real good. We got some pom-poms in there. We can cheerlead him. Hey, Jeffrey, go. Give me a J, go, go. Give me a G-O, go. Jeffrey, go.
Don't take that concrete block out in case you fall. What does Jeffrey need?
It needs a switch.
You turned it the wrong way.
I know I'm turning it the wrong way. Don't start with me.
Then take that concrete block out so I don't have to jack it all the way up every time.
Jeffrey gonna go hunt Easter egg Sunday? Y'all got some eggs in the basket there? No. Jeffrey, you gonna go get some? You don't like them?
Listen to me and scoot that concrete block back in. Jack it up where I told you.
Screaming and kicking and cussing at me for about
Then get your ass in the house and I'll do it.
No, you won't. You argue with everything that moves.
Just like you did.
What do you think you
You think you're so damn smart? Just fix it, smart bud. Where you going? You got 2 blocks. That block ain't gonna work because it ain't flat. You can't use that block.
You just please.
It's got to be flat. It'll fall. You're not setting it on there.
Take all that start away from me. Give me that goddamn motherfucking rock. Now!
You get your broom handle out and grandma's switch.
Give me that rock.
You done throwed it up on the house, Jeffrey.
I'm not giving you a rock that's cookie to put a block on and see it fall and break
It
it.
ain't gonna fall.
You wait a minute. I'm going around the backyard and get a flat block.
There.
Using
You
that.
think the neighbor's got a board over there? I don't have nothing in my house. Not nothing like a food thing.
You wait. I get a 4-inch concrete block. Meet me around here at the fence and I'll throw it across there.
Jeffrey, would you like to try a different jack?
Concrete block is too big.
This is the best video they've ever made in the world. It's a shame I didn't get a video of them taking the tire off. It was almost as bad as putting one on.
We do it.
I got my jack out. It's a little bit bigger than what I got.
You want to try his?
No.
Go back to the front tire. Yeah. Put that other block on top of that.
Too fat. Can't.
That block right there, I thought you not no thicker, harder than that other one.
Anyway, you do smart ass had to throw it under the porch.
You need a flat one, I don't care if it's Jack, that's no cool. Barry Monty's, is his truck Jack in the work?
He looks like he's doing all right in here. Looks like it's going to work. It's just it'll take a little bit. Really? Is she sick?
Since she had a heart attack.
Really? It ain't because David's been acting up, is it? Well, what are they doing over there? You got to put up there no trespassing. What's he doing? Was that a car lot? Was that a shop, a rebuild, or what? Really? They left it? Can I go run spun? Why don't we just both pile up and get Don and go and start sponging and start tell them I want a birthday cake and I want my steak and lobster.
I'm gonna drop something on you. That Jack is cooking.
Is that a Chevrolet or a Ford jack? I think you're using a Dodge jack to jack up a Ford. Is that what it is?
Wrong with you, buddy? Look at all that concrete box that's kicked off in the tunnel. If I die, if I found a snake in the bathroom.
Well, since you got rid of that truck, did the ghost settle down? Ain't had
Well,
nothing.
cigarette smoke last night, and that's all. We didn't see anything.
Just cigarette smoke.
Yep.
Well, that ain't too bad, I don't guess.
Big Danny come back to sleep about us.
You think that's Danny?
Yeah.
It's a good looking watch. I like that one. You better keep that one. That's good.
Yeah, that's the one you like.
Well, I like it too. It looks sharp.
That old, this stuff I turned the industry, you didn't see it. It's stolen. It's even going up in it all.
What was that?
Oh, he moved.
He does. You don't do that, Jeffrey. What are you mumbling about? You look like a boar hog been wandering around rooting for damn roots and stuff.
Did it, came up the cart, and won't be a shit creek. Wait a minute.
Every time I start, you could be taking it out.
If you flip your block over, you won't have that hole in it.
First cold.
I think he's cooking with lard.
There you go. Don't be taking it out. Where's the hook right here? I move that hand and cut them fingers slap down over there. Where's the teeth turn? What's that called?
The bottom always goes in first. Always.
I'm doing any more turns. You get all the turns. Dang, I can't. What? You had it on and I took it off. How did I take it off?
I don't think no one's had it on there yet. I haven't seen it on there. I've seen it on there diagonally.
screaming at me, you.
Jack Winnie.
You think if you had to put up 4 tires on instead of just one, how would that work?
Too high up, Jim. Too high up, you're hanging the rim on the top of the up nut stud.
You get down here and do
Then you move.
What's that on the back of that head, Jeffrey?
So,
Oh, I thought it was a little leak. If it's bent, I can't unbend it.
That's what I'm saying.
It looks like it's messed up, really. By just looking at it, but you know, could be just a piece of shit jack. I think that's what it is. You gonna put that on your shoulder at the time? Yeah, it is. Look at that. Hey, you better watch out! I'll put a damn nail in your tire.
Get that one down, let it go on that one.
Well, how much do you like, Ian? I mean, to jack it up, you want to go about 8 foot or what? Jeffrey, you got a tape measure?
around here.
No, you don't. You don't measure anything?
That's supposed to be yards.
All right, you got a stick? Go get it. Go get it.
Hard on no more.
What's the problem, Jeffrey? You know? You don't know what's wrong?
That means you mean I need to.
Okay, we'll fix this pitch. Take the stick and stick it on the ground and measure that lug nut on that tire right there, and come up here and measure that lug nut on that tire right there. Stick it on there and measure it.
Right on the ground.
Does it say that first one on the first one from right there? First one
Bottom or top?
on the bottom. The bottom's the first.
That's the top. Measure the bottom.
I need the
One
bottom.
closest to the ground. I ain't no 22 inches.
I'm rolling no matter what I do.
How much is that one? Huh?
What is that one? I couldn't tell.
$11 inches, exactly. Now go back there and measure that back.
Look on the bottom, Jill.
What does that say? So you got 2 inches to go, right? If this one's 11 and that's 13. Right?
Yep. Take these lungs, Jack. Somebody
Well. Don't look at me like that.
Just wonder what you do.
Yeah, he looked at me like I done something over there.
What you use it, what you do.
Look at that.
Jackson.
Yeah. It is. That's garbage.
Pull the concrete block out toward you. Leave the jack alone. Put the block right behind the jack. You got it now, and scoot that other up this way. And I'll hit the jack to do it. Gotta put that under the car. You can't take that down. Let it flat on the ground. You never get it up first. Closest you can get it to the other one, Jeffrey. No! I said,
I've had enough of this fucking shit. You fix it your own self.
scoot the block up closer to the one that our jack's on. I don't take that down!
I had to move the lug brakes to get you over there.